there, it's Denise, DeniseSanger.com. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Should be the lower right-hand corner of the video. So let's get to it. Today we're going to talk about HRT, or Hormone Replacement Therapy. I always talk about things from my perspective, and I have tried twice now different type of hormone replacement therapies, and we can really go down the hole, or however you say that, down the rabbit hole when it comes to talking about hormone replacement therapy. But let's just talk about it from my perspective. If you've been with me any length of time, you'll know there's a video on here where I talk about doing the BioT pellets. And a big part of my wanting to do those pellets were not only the belly weight gain from menopause, which is caused by a decrease in estrogen. There is a physiological reason why women, as we move through menopause, we have to deal with this menopausal belly. So I did do the BioT pellets, which are injected into your hip after they do blood work. And I actually liked those pellets for the most part overall and how I felt. However, as time went on, I was at the top of the limits for both testosterone and estrogen. And I found that the cost, which is $400 every 3 to 4 months, was not outweighed by the benefits. I was back to being extremely tired, lack of energy, really no interest in sex or anything like that. And at the same time, I was going through a very difficult financial time, and coming up with that $400, because you have to go to the doctor's office to get that, and it's not covered by insurance. So coming up with that amount every 3 months was not in my budget at that time. So in the meantime, I did look into an estrogen patch replacement. Now, going back to the BioT pellets did work. I felt pretty good on those, probably up to 18 months. And then it was after 18 months that I hit the tipping point where they were not as beneficial to me. Now, I have been off of those probably 18 months. So I have been thinking about giving them another try. However, again, I still have to weigh the cost versus the benefits, and I'm just not on board with that. So in the meantime, I tried an estrogen patch that you would place on your belly, and it's advertised all over the place, and I can't think of the name right now. It didn't work at all. Okay, so that estrogen, which I understood the science behind it, that it would be absorbed directly into your body from that patch on your belly, did not work for me. Okay, so what do we do? There are a lot of concerns over the side effects of these hormone replacements. There's some ugly things that come into play with hormone replacement and how they go about getting these hormones. And there are some safety issues involved too. So, like me, you need to weigh the benefits for you and if they are worth it. At this point, I'll be 60 this year. I'm not convinced they're worth it. Now, I feel better. I have made physical changes to what I'm doing as far as how I'm eating. I eliminated sugar from my diet. I exercise. I have increased the weight that I am using for strength training, and that's a big part of keeping your metabolism moving, is you have to have muscle mass to do that. So increasing the weights has made a big difference in that area. But I am still struggling with the belly fat. Okay, I'll just have to keep you posted on that. But for me, at this time in my life, I am through menopause. You know, I had the hysterectomy. I don't feel HRT is beneficial for me. Now, if you would have asked me that question 3 years ago when I was taking the BioT pellets, it would have been a completely different answer. However, I hit that tipping point where the benefits just weren't there anymore, and I was taking these hormone replacements and feeling as crappy as I did before I started taking the hormone replacements. So as always, you absolutely have to, be aware and listen to your body, listen to what it's telling you. I knew at that point for me, I needed to stop taking any type of hormone replacements, and I feel better. And the biggest issue I have, honestly, is my belly. So there you have it. Real talk from a woman for a woman that's gone through menopause and hysterectomy. I just keep pushing forward, and I hope you are too. Like I said, I'm not telling you not to try it. You may have different results from me. This whole channel is to give you a real-time perspective of somebody who's gone through it all. I am actually on the other side of it now. And really the main issue I still have is in the belly, and I am working on that right now by tweaking my diet and adjusting my strength training and yoga. I cannot tell you how beneficial yoga is, not only to maintain bone strength, but to maintain muscle strength and overall sense of well-being. So I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Don't forget to hit subscribe. You can find me How to Stay Fit Over 50 with Denise, howtostayfitover50.com. Healthy and Happy Over 50 is my online group. Healthy After 50 with Denise on Facebook and on Instagram. I think I got it all out. You can also email me, denisesanger@gmail.com. Hang in there. It gets better, I promise. Bye.